For travelers going to the very popular Mexican state of Quintana Roo, there is a tax that you do need to complete before you leave the state. Some very popular destinations such as Cancun, Tulum, and Playa del Carmen are in this state. So if you're headed to these destinations, make sure you do your tax before you depart. I've got the official website on the screen and I'll put a link in the description below. There are many websites out there claiming to be the official website, but they do charge you an additional fee to process your tax. So to get started, go ahead and click make your payment. And so here we're going to enter in the departure date from Mexico. This is not your departure date from your home country. This is your departure date from Mexico. So go ahead and enter in your departure date, and you're going to select the number of people on the application. You can do up to 10 people per application. If you have more than 10, you have to do another application for the remaining individuals. So once you enter in your departure date and you select the number of visitors going, go ahead and click next. Here on this page, enter in the details. I recommend filling in as per your passport, and then you fill in your passport number. Once you're ready, go ahead and click next. And you see here, it's basically wanting you to confirm that your name is correct. You've got the correct number of people going. And then you see that amount is 271 Mexican pesos. At the time of this video, that is about 13 US dollars. And so once you're ready, go ahead and click confirm. And you see here, this is going to be where you enter in your payment details. Once you're done, you go ahead and click that. You'll see there is a dollar sign. It is in Mexican pesos. It's not $271. It is in Mexican pesos. And so after you pay, you're going to then get a QR code and you can screenshot it. Just save it somewhere. If you really want to print it, I suppose you could print it to show, but have it ready to go on your departure. If you do misplace your QR code, remember that your receipt is linked to your passport and it will be stored in the government portal up to a year. So just make sure you don't lose it. Also, don't forget to check if you need a Mexico tourist card, and I've included a link in the description below so that you can get yours. And that's it. It's that easy.